Alright guys, it's Ricardo, junkguysdfw.net. I'm with the hot tub. This thing's not drained. Alright, so we're gonna drain it. I have a hot tub and it's full of water. It's 100% full of water. I mean, this one is maxed out full of water. Look at it. That's water. Alright, so the owner wanted me to try to be sure that the water goes in only one direction. FYI, the water's gonna do what it wants. You can't really control it. All right, and what we did, we cut the hot tub, we got the water's gonna drain. Hey, take the top off of it, Diego, so we can see how much water there is. Yeah, it's really heavy. Holy smokes. There it is. It's full. Top, even the top has water in it. Check it out. That's how much water. So this thing is holding water, and that's how much water it's holding in it. That's a lot of water. All right, you're gonna see a massive time lapse now. We're just gonna start hitting it and the water's just gonna come drain. I'm gonna get in there and just start cutting shit. That's how we're gonna do it, and you're gonna see it all. It's like a magic show. Right now we've been working at it for 5 minutes and 52 seconds. I think it's gonna take us about maybe 50 minutes, maybe 45. We'll see how long it's going. Here we go. Where's the sledgehammer? In the truck? So I told Diego to bring a sledgehammer and check out what he brings. He's such a good worker. Alright guys, so we cut up the hot tub already, and we got in pieces. We've carried out only one piece so far because Diego's so damn busy talking to his girlfriend on the phone. But we're going to finish the rest of it. So far we've been here, let me see this, 39 minutes. We're going to knock this out, guys. Move it all out of here. Here's the problem. The platform right here, guys, we just found out that underneath it, there is concrete, and I can feel it in places. So the platform's gonna stay. We're just gonna wipe everything off the platform, and we're getting the heck out of here. We just gotta carry out the pieces. If Diego didn't have problems with this girl, we would have been done already. But look, he doesn't even show up. I don't know where he's at. All right, guys, so we're gonna knock this out. We're just gonna carry out the hot tub, and we're done. See you in a minute. This is what happens when the owner of the house wants to do the job. Help yourself, buddy. We got that recorded. He broke our sledgehammer. Bro, I owe you one. No, we got this at the jug removal. We didn't pay anything for it. Don't worry about that.
How did that happen?
It just happens.
Bad form or what? Man, you got that on video too.
Yeah, I did. That's funny. One right in front of you. See if you can drop some of that, I think.
Yeah. Came up.
Guys, just finished up the hot tub. I got the business owner right here. He is actually the landlord to this property, and I want to talk about something, man. What you think about the service that we gave you here, man?
It's good service. Y'all did a great job.
Right.
Yeah, hard workers.
Yeah. Do we want to talk about this? What happened here, man?
It looks like a faulty jackhammer to me.
Faulty, huh? So you think, because I was swinging it away. I just want to say I was swinging that away. I wasn't having any faulty problems. And then you got a hold of it and what is this? What
You might have to return this one. So get a warranty on it.
So we got this one from a junk removal, so we can't return it, but it doesn't matter, man. We have like 3 or 4 of these guys. Guys, we just finished up the hot tub right here in Corinth, Texas. Check it out. It was right there. Now this one had a platform also that we removed. And usually, guys, we don't do platforms, but he paid me a little extra. We knocked it out. And then there's cement here. And of course, if y'all know, guys, if you're subscribed to my channel, you know I don't remove cement, but he had some cement and he had some cement blocks that had a little cement on the end, and I took those, but this one had about 8, what do you think? 8 little pieces of holding wood that held the platform up from sinking. It was actually pretty cool. Not a hard time getting them out.
Yeah, it was easy. Just get slipped right up.
Yeah, slipped right up. All right, guys, so we've been here about an hour and 30 minutes. Usually these take us about 45 minutes, but the platform is a different ball game. It was just extra work, and we got to knock it out, and we did it. We didn't use the, of course, we were going to use the sledgehammer to knock everything out, but we know the story about this. Somebody doesn't like sledgehammers. Anyway, guys, that's going to end it for me today. Don't forget, guys, if y'all like these videos, subscribe over there to the right side. On the left side, check out my other videos. And this was a hot tub removal in Corinth, Texas. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.